Ready, start. To deal with the said submission, we may note that clerical or arithmetical mistake in any decision or errors arising therein from the accidental slip or omission may at any time be corrected by the competent authority on its own motion or as soon as such an error is brought to its notice in any manner whatsoever. Stop. The returning officer being in charge of his office on the relevant date was well within his jurisdiction to correct the errors of clerical oblique arithmetical nature. Stop. To hold otherwise would mean that the wrong result of election had to be declared by the returning officer even after discovering the mistake, which was only of calculation oblique totaling of the votes cast in favor of each candidate. Stop. The accidental slip or omission attributable to the office of the returning officer must be corrected at the earliest possible opportunity so as to maintain the sanctity of the election and to ensure free and fair election. Stop. The returning officer cannot be said to be functus officio with respect to its power to correct its record before sending the same to the district magistrate for declaration of the election result on the portal of the State Election Commission. Stop. The fact that the returning officer was holding the charge of his office on 4/5/2021 when the mistake was corrected is not disputed before us. Stop. We therefore hold that till the returning officer was in charge of his office under the order of the State Election Commission and the election result was not finalized by uploading the same on the portal of the State Election Commission, the returning officer cannot be denuded of his power to make correction of an error which was only clerical or arithmetical in nature to put the record of his office straight. Stop. The returning officer is duty bound to ensure that the declaration made by it of the election result is true, and when he had made correction of minor or formal nature for removing inadvertent error, he cannot said to have become functus officio, nor can it be said that it was outside the scope and jurisdiction of the returning officer under the authority given by the election commission. Stop para. Further, the writ petition is completely silent about the election return of polling booth numbers 180 and 181 having been received by the petitioner or her Nirvachan Abhikarta and Jan Abhikarta. Stop. The copy of the election returns in Form 47 as per the guidebook along with the counting sheet Jan Parchi in Form 43 dated 3/5/2021 of the polling booth numbers 180 and 181 placed before us along with the written instructions so the description oblique details of the votes as is required to be noted under Article 53 of the Rules 1994. Stop. The total number of votes received by each candidate have been mentioned therein. Stop. Para. The petitioner herein also does not dispute the details or the number of votes indicated in the memo dated 6/5/2021, subject matter of challenge in the present writ petition.